Hi children, welcome to the So Relaxing Show. What does it really mean to relax? Our days are so busy nowadays. Rushing to school, eating in a hurry, finishing our work, and dashing to the next class. During our free time, we are glued to our phones, chatting with friends, playing Roblox, watching line dance videos, or endlessly scrolling through TikTok. Do you ever wake up feeling more tired than before? The So Relaxing Show is here to explore why we struggle to rest properly and learn how we can stretch out, unwind, and loosen up our body like a cat. Meow! Let's get started. Let's investigate. How have you been sleeping every day?
8 or 9?
9 p.m. 10 or 9, I don't know.
6.
But it's 6 now, you're not sleeping.
I'm sleeping. 11. Like 10, 11 plus.
Sounds okay-ish. How about during the school holidays? What time do you all sleep?
No, I sleep at 1.
Can't even sleep because I'm not that tired.
1 a.m. or 2 a.m. 3 a.m. I sleep. For sleeping around 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning.
5 a.m.
Sometimes I don't sleep, sometimes I sleep. I sleep around like 4, 5.
Wow, that's late. I wonder, what are you all doing in the middle of the night?
I was playing PlayStation 4.
Play video game. Roblox. Let's just say I like to be on my phone 24/7. Play my phone or text my friend, no?
I watch TikTok.
Watch TikTok and eat and play game.
I eat Maggi. I use my phone. I watch TikTok and call my friends.
Oh no! You guys are only getting a few hours of sleep, and some hardly sleep at all. Let's find out why sleep and rest are actually super important.
This is Jax. Oh, hi Jax. Today Jax is going to show us why sleep and rest is important. Number 1. Sleep is important so we can get a clear mind and feel ready to seize the day. When we don't get enough sleep, we can feel very tired throughout the whole day. Jax, wake up, wake up! It is hard to have fun. We may even get into accidents. It is also hard to make good decisions or remember what we learned in class. Number 2. Sleep is important so that we can recharge and fight germs and sickness. Let's look at what goes on inside our bodies when we sleep.
Pew. Pew, 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 pew.
Number 3. Sleep is important to help us process all the things that happen in the day. Ever wonder why you're so moody or feel upset if you don't just get enough sleep? Don't you feel like that sometimes there's just so many thoughts in your head, like it's chaos?
Nom 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 nom. Oh, yummy.
When we sleep enough, our brain helps to sort out our thoughts and feelings. It keeps the important stuff and throws away the not so important ones. Number 4. Sleep is important because we are kinder when everyone is relaxed. Ever wonder why we get easily annoyed and start fighting with others? Oh, Jax, you look terrible! Sleep just makes us nicer people to ourselves and others. Now we all know why sleep and rest is so important. But what could be stopping us from having enough sleep?
This is Tyler's house. It is 11 p.m. and he is preparing to sleep. Experts recommend a few ways that you can help yourself to go to sleep.
Where's my eyes?
Cool your body down. dim the lights around you. Reduce the sound around you.
These little kids nowadays want to sleep also cannot.
And you are ready to sleep.
Cannot lah. Let me use my phone. Power. Mama, what are you doing you? Go to sleep now. Tomorrow you got school tomorrow. And plus, using your phone in the night time is not good for your eyes. Later your eyes spoil. You're gonna be blind. Good night. Go sleep. Okay, I'll go to sleep. Good night. She gonna ready a power lah. Do it on my phone.
Go away.
Where is it?
Is this scene familiar to many of you? The battle with the phone is a hard one. There is so much interesting content, and our brain just cannot stop. What are the things we can stay away from to get a good night's sleep?
What's so hard one?
Avoid drinking caffeinated drinks or drinks with high amount of sugar. It really messes up your brain and sleep.
A few moments later.
3 seconds.
Eating a meal before sleeping can affect digestion and sleep quality. You might even need to wake up to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night.
It's good. Oh my god, is there a ghost under my bed?
Avoid screen time on digital devices or watching anything exciting before sleep. An active brain makes it hard to fall asleep. And here are some things that you can do to prepare yourself to sleep. Draw something and talk to yourself. You can wash your face and brush your teeth, or even take a nice relaxing shower. You can also pack your school bag while thinking about what you have done for the day. We heard some children love to put glowing stars on their ceiling and stare at it. Maybe you can do that too. So relaxing. Have a nice chat with a family member over a cup of chocolate milk and biscuits.
So relaxing. Okay, Ma, I go to sleep. Good night. Okay, son. Good night.
Oh hi, it's me again. So when I was a smaller kid like you I was always busy with school. Then when I'm not in school, I'm always bored. Actually, nowadays also I'm very bored lah. So last time I will always spend my time on my phone and eating a lot. And yeah, so this is me when I was 12. So after a few years, I asked myself, what on earth am I doing? So I was very tired, I was very out of shape, and I just didn't really like it lah. So I learned how to spend my boredom to recharge and relax my body. And I'm going to show you how you can do it too. Draw, make some art. Cooking is a relaxing activity. You can make simple snacks like pancakes. Physical activities not only keeps you fit, but it also helps you sleep at night. And when you sleep at night, your body repairs itself, and that's how you build muscles too. Thank you for watching the So Relaxing Show. I hope you guys remember that sleep is important for your brain, your muscle, and your memory. And I hope you get some sleep too.
Aneh.
What lah?
Good night.
Good night, go and sleep. Tomorrow school, play and play and play every time. I don't know what you're doing in school also.